Hello, thank you for visiting my playlist. For free, I have put together all of the things I am doing, all of the activities I'm doing for a blended classroom while I teach my integers unit along with rational numbers unit. I just wanted to show you what you get for this. I want to share that this is the teacher preparation. This is what the teacher would need to do, and I'm showing you my classroom with tape down that's in the shape of a coordinate grid and why I use that. There's a link. There's also a student copy of this playlist that I'll show you next. I'm also including a video. There is a link for creating a digital, for downloading a digital playlist, a digital notebook. This is the only thing on this playlist that has a fee so far, but there's a video that explains how to use it. You do not need to use it. It's just here as an example. You might already have one. There's a video included. Here's the link. It's Edpuzzled. If you haven't used Edpuzzle, it's just a way for asking questions and getting the students to focus on what you really want them to learn. That is here. It is free. It should work. If not, this picture here has a link just to the YouTube video. I'm also linking to other Teacher Pay teacher activities. I found this online. It's free. It looked great. It's going to be a great activity to use in my classroom. We are in a hybrid situation this year where students can work together to click and grab, or drag and drop, I should say, the vocabulary words to either positive or negative columns. All of the information is here. There are links to both this Teacher Pay teacher store and to her actual flip book that she's created, and it is free on Teacher Pay Teachers. The next thing I have is for student practice. It's a Google form that is also free. It's an escape from integers where they practice 4 or 5 questions about integers, comparing integers, what integers mean, and so forth. Another example of the digital notebook that I'm going to be using in my classroom. The next activity students would do is complete pages 3 and 4 by clicking and dragging, or dragging and dropping, however you want to say it, and it's just a comparison of integers. The next thing is a Quizlet. The link is included here, and it's free. The next thing is a Quick Check. The Quick Check is free. It's just a Google Doc, and after students complete this, they go to Teacher Time. The Teacher Time is simply where they meet with the teacher and make sure that they've mastered the material. If they haven't, I've even included a Google Doc that has a second attempt. It's very similar to the first attempt, it just has a few changes on it. To go back up to the top, included in this free activity is the student playlist. Sorry. It will make a copy for you, and you can do whatever you want with this. You can make it your own, you can use it as it is, you can upload it for your students, but it has a video here explaining how to do it. It also has a picture of the digital interactive notebook and an explanation for them how to choose their front cover, because they get to choose from 15 different covers for their notebook to kind of individualize their passions. The next activity is to actually complete slide 1, which is pages 1 and 2 of their digital notebook, and you'll notice it has some directions, and then it says when you've completed those pages, move on to the next activity. So this is basically a move at your own pace unit for students. It's just a first mini module. I'll be adding more later, but this is just about making sense of integers. Included is this video for students, and they can go right here to this link and watch it themselves, and they answer the questions, and depending on what kind of learning management system you have, it might be embedded into like Schoology, or you might have to just email it to them and they can send you a picture of their answered questions. I'm also showing you the group activity. I've shown you this on the teacher copy as well. The Can You Escape from the Integers? The next step is the pages 3 and 4 of the digital notebook, the Quizlet, the Quick Check, and it tells them to stop here and meet with the teacher. I'm hoping this is helpful for you. I would love to hear feedback. Thank you.